In today's video, we continue with our series on SAT reading. Today we will focus on recognizing main ideas, both explicit and implicit. Welcome to another video presented by the Learning Depot. The main idea is the central or most important idea in a paragraph or passage. It states the purpose and sets the direction of the paragraph or passage. The main idea is made up of its supporting details. The main idea covers the author's general point and covers a broad topic and is general. Let's talk about explicit main idea. In other words, stated right there in the paragraph. We can find explicit main ideas at the beginning of the paragraph, at the middle of the paragraph, or at the end of the paragraph. Sometimes you will find the main idea at the beginning and the end of the paragraph. Let's look at this paragraph. Pause the video and read to find the main idea stated at the beginning of the paragraph. As a result of more than 60 years of election surveys, we now know a great deal about American voters. The rest of the sentences are supporting details that support the main idea. In this paragraph, we find the main idea in the middle of the paragraph. It is explicitly stated. Pause the video and read the paragraph to identify the main idea in the middle. Did you identify this sentence? To survive a brutal winter, earthworms practice vertical migration. If you read carefully, all the other sentences support the central idea that earthworms practice vertical migration. In this paragraph, the main idea is explicitly stated at the end. Pause the video and read the paragraph to find the explicitly stated main idea. These are but two examples from the medical maxim that the difference between a substance being a poison or a medicine lies in the dosage. And the sentences give the examples of the amount of arsenic versus botulinum toxin presenting in two different uses. Here we have explicit main idea both at the beginning and end of the paragraph. Pause the video to identify the main idea at the beginning and the end. Did you identify the main idea correctly? Most birds may be small, cute, and comical, but the more closely one looks at them, the more they come to look like little dinosaurs. And at the end, it may be difficult to accept, but swallows, sparrows, and even chickens are all distant relatives of the fearsome dinosaurs. The main idea here is that birds are actually closely related to dinosaurs. Implicit main ideas add to text complexities. Because they are not right there, you have to make an inference. Types of supporting details for implicit main ideas are examples and illustrations, facts and statistics, reasons, incidents, descriptive details, steps or procedures, or comparison-contrast ideas. Ask yourself 3 questions when identifying the main idea. Who or what is this paragraph about? What is the main point the author is trying to make about that topic? Does the text support this idea? Let's look at this paragraph where the main idea is implied. Pause the video and read the paragraph to identify the implied main idea. The implied main idea is that in sports, women have not achieved equal status as men. If we read the supporting details, we see in the first sentence that many schools have increased fundings for schools. However, few have opened up the rough sports for girls. It states that football, hockey, and wrestling continue to be male-dominated activities, and it also mentions a stigma that female athletes face when they participate in sports. It is important that you recognize words that mean essentially the same thing as the main idea. Summary, primary purpose, primary point, essential message, and central idea. On the SAT reading, you will need to recognize broad main ideas, topics, and themes in order to identify assumptions, claims, and counterclaims. Getting the big picture will help you answer the questions, since all questions essentially will lead back to the main idea. We hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you real soon.